Once upon a time, in a colorful little village nestled between tall hills and sparkling rivers, there lived two best friends, Max and Mia. Max was a curious boy who loved exploring new places, while Mia was a clever and kind girl who always thought things through before acting. One evening, as the sun began to set, Max and Mia were playing near the village square when they saw something unusual in the sky. A tiny star was falling slowly toward the earth. It twinkled brightly, almost as if it were calling to them. The two friends gasped in excitement. Mia said, "Max, we have to catch that star. It looks so special." Max, always up for a challenge, nodded eagerly. "Let's go, Mia. Maybe we can make a wish when we find it." They raced toward the place where the star seemed to be falling. As they got closer, they realized it had landed in the middle of the dark forest, a mysterious place no one had ever dared to go. Max's eyes sparkled with excitement, but Mia hesitated. "The dark forest is filled with shadows and tricky paths," she said. But Max, with his usual bravery, smiled and said, "Don't worry, Mia. It'll be fun. Besides, we have each other." So, hand in hand, the two friends entered the dark forest. The trees were tall, and the air smelled sweet like berries. As they walked deeper, they saw glowing fireflies and heard the sound of owls hooting in the distance. It was both magical and a little spooky, but Max and Mia stayed together, feeling brave. Suddenly, they came across a big, tangled bush with a sign hanging on it. The sign said, "Only the kindest heart can pass through." Max was about to push through the bush, but Mia stopped him. "Let's think carefully, Max. What does this mean?" Max scratched his head, then smiled. "Maybe if we help each other, we can get through." Mia nodded and said, "I'll carefully move some branches, and you can crawl through first, Max." Max smiled and crawled through the bush with Mia's help. As he made his way through, something magical happened. The bush parted, and the path ahead became clear. They continued on their journey and soon reached a sparkling, shimmering lake. In the center of the lake was a small island where the star lay, glowing brightly. But there was no bridge to the island. Mia thought for a moment. "What if we work together?" she said. Max was confused. "What do you mean?" Mia smiled. "I can use this big branch to make a little raft, and we can row across to the island together." Max's eyes lit up with excitement. "Great idea, Mia." So Mia used the branch to create a simple raft. Together, they carefully paddled across the lake, laughing and singing as they went. When they reached the island, they found the star gently resting on a soft patch of grass. Max carefully picked up the star and looked at it in awe. "We did it, Mia," he said. Mia smiled and said, "We didn't just find the star, Max. We worked together, helped each other, and stayed calm when things got tricky. That's what made our adventure special." Just then, the star shimmered brightly and flew into the sky, joining its friends.